use the method of completing the square to solve this. Okay. When you look at it, it says 3k squared equal to 8k plus 8. So let it not confuse you about how this expression comes. Okay. You can simply say solution 3k squared. You bring this inside, becomes minus 8k equal to 8. Okay, it's still the same thing. Now we are going to make this coefficient of k squared to be 1. That we say divide through by 3. Okay, when you divide 2 by 3, this is what we get. Now from here we say 3 cancel 3, you are left with k squared minus 8 over 3 k equal to 8 over 3. Now this next we are going to do here is what you say add the square of half of this square, the coefficient of this k, to both sides. All right, to both sides. This will now give us remember the coefficient of k here is what? Minus 8 over 3. So we say okay, let's get to this side of the board. Now from here we can have that k squared minus 8 over 3 3k plus, now this times this. Remember we said that off and board mass is what? You change it to multiplication. Okay, now this times this is what? 8. So we still have minus 8 over 2 times 3 is 6. 6. All squared equal to okay, so this equally will still give us the same thing here. So we have minus raised to power 2. Okay, now from here now we say k minus 8 over 3k okay, now here we say plus minus is what? Minus 8 over 6 8 over 6 raised to power 2. Now if you divide this out, let's take for instance, we say 2 into this is 3, 4 rather. 2 into this is 3, okay? So if we still say that this is 4 over 3, I think that will give us a better clear view of this, okay? Equal to 8 over 3 plus the same thing we have here, we have 4 over 3 raised to power 2, okay? Now, this is a perfect square now. Now we have k minus 4 over 3 all raised to power 2 equal to, now this is 8 over 3 plus this raised to power 4 raised to power 2 is 16, and 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Now from here we find the k equal to k minus 4 over 3 all raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 equal to LCM here is 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 9 divided itself 1 times this is 16. Okay. So with this we have this to be equal to 24 plus 16 is 40. Okay. This plus this is 0. Remember 1. This plus this is 3 plus 1 4. 40 over 9. Okay. Now from here we have that we say take the square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides, we have k minus 4 over 3 equal to plus minus 40 over 9. Okay, I'm trying to manage the board. I'm not writing out many other things. Now, here we cross this to equality sign. We have k equal to, this crosses equality sign will be 4 over 3 plus or minus 40 40 over 3. Okay, because this is a perfect square, so we have 3 there. Now from this, I think we have to clean the board. This side, that place cannot contain what we are doing, so I believe you understand this side. Okay, k now equal to 4 over 3 plus or minus 40 over 3 raised to 4. Okay, now from here we say k is equal to 3 as the LCM. This here 3 into 3 is 1 times 4 is 4 plus or minus 3 into this one times root 40 is what? Still will give us root 40. Okay, now we have that k is equal to 4 plus root 40 over 3 or 4 minus root 40 over 3. K is equal to, we find out the what? The value of root 40. Okay, quickly get the value of root 40. Have you gotten it? All right, so it's 4 plus 6.32 over 3 or 4 minus 6.32 over 2 over 3 rather. Okay, now on this we have k equal to, this plus this will give you 10.32 over 3 or this minus this minus this will give you 2.32 over 3. So this is the final answer. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Remember our quadratic formula. Okay, we are asked to use that quadratic formula to solve this. Okay, now the quadratic formula says x equal to minus b plus or minus in brackets in square roots b raised to power 2 minus 4ac all over what? 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Now, if you employ this to this, what that means is that a is equal to 6. That's this first one here. And b is equal to what? Minus 1. And c equal to what? Minus 2. Good. Now, representing all this with this formula, we have x equal to b is what? b is minus 1. So we still have minus 1. Remember, this formula has minus here, so you have to let it outside here while you represent the value of b. Okay. Now, plus or minus b again is minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 4 in brackets. A is what? 6 times 6 times the c is minus 2 times minus 2. Okay, all over 2 times a is what? 6. A is 6. Okay, so with this we are good to go. From here we say x is equal to minus is plus, so we have plus 1 plus or minus this is minus 1 raised to power 2 give us 1 minus. Now 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times minus 2 is what? 48. Minus 48 all over 2 times 6. Oh, 2 times 6 will give us what? 12. Okay, with this we come to this side of the board. We have x is equal to 1 plus or minus minus plus here will be what? Plus. So we have in this square roots 1 plus 48 all over 12. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus this plus this is what? 49 all over 12. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus square root of 49 is 7. So we have 7 here all over 12. X is equal to 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 over 12. Remember, okay, sorry. Here we say, remember the sign is, sorry, I didn't represent that, plus or minus. So here we have x is equal to 1 plus 7 over 12, or 1 minus 7 over 12. Okay, now from here we say x is equal to this plus this is 8 over 12, or this minus this is minus 6 over 12. Okay, now x will now give us equal to 4 cancel here is what? 2. 4 here is 3. Okay, now we have 2 over 3, or I believe you can see it. Now here 6 cancel here, 1 cancel here, 2. So we have or minus 1 over 2. So these are the roots of this equation or expression. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Sorry, let's write it out here so that you can see it boldly. What we mean, x is equal to 3 over 2 over 3, or minus 1 over 2. Okay. If you cannot see it well here, this is what we got. Thank you.